everyone, Ray here. On this video, ipapakita ko kung paano nyo ma-view yung credit card statement nyo on the BPI app and kung paano bayaran ito.
Login tayo on the BPI app. Then, punta tayo sa credit cards. Here, makikita natin yung customer number and the outstanding balance. In order to view your credit card statement, click nyo My Statements. View Statements of. Here, you can select yung account na gusto nyong tignan yung statement. But in this case, BPI credit card, and yun yung naka-default na naka-select. So, we won't change that anymore. Select the date range of the statement date. Yung latest yung isa-select natin, which is January 7. Okay, and then click download. Yan. So, instantly makikita nyo yung credit card statement nyo. Alright? So, of course, i-review nyo muna. And then, here makikita nyo yung total amount due. You can always pay the minimum amount due, but if you want to avoid interest fees, it's better that you pay it in full kung kaya naman. Okay? As you can see here, same yung total amount due na nakalagay dito. And the one we were looking at earlier, over here. In order to pay your card, click Pay Card. Pay From, select yung account nyo, kung saan siya magde-deduct. Pay To, by default, this is where you're supposed to pay. Input the amount. 22 to 11.98. Add ng note, which is optional. Scroll down and then click continue. Verify your details and then confirm. Input your OTP, and once you see this, your payment has been successful. Ayan, deducted na siya from the account you selected earlier. And you'll be receiving an email confirmation as well.